Okay. Approximately 12.7% of American high school students drop out of school before graduation. Let's write down all this as we go along. 12.7%. In decimal, you move your decimal point two places left. That'd be P is equal to 0.127. Choose 15 students. That sounds like N. And find the probability that all 15 stay in school and graduate. I hope I haven't missed any of these before this. I almost missed this one. Very important what it's saying here. This percent here is based upon dropping out. Those students drop out. This is asking about them staying in school, which means that if 12.7% drop out, then 0.873 stay in school. Very important there. I almost missed that. Okay. So what's this saying? Find probably all 15 stay in school and graduate. So x is equal to 15. All 15 stay in school. And this is going to be my p over here. I won't use this. Sometimes it asks for the opposite of what it gives you. Okay. Now, our problems of this form, probability x equals, so in this case, x equals 15, so a is equal to 15. And we're going to use this form to plug it in. So equals binom.dist, a and p, a is 15, n is 15, p is 0.873, comma, and I think it's false. Yeah, false. And change it to percent. In round one decimal place, that'd be 13.0 or just 13%.